A warm welcome to the Imagination Gallery. Thank you for being a part of this artistic journey. I'm absolutely delighted to have each and every one of you here today. Have you ever stood in the quiet of nature feeling like the world is holding its breath just for you? Welcome to Imagination Gallery, friends. Today we are diving into a serene moment, a river flowing gently beneath a darkening sky, mountains standing tall and trees whispering in the wind. This landscape is more than just a view. It's a conversation between nature's timeless beauty and the calm it brings to our hearts. Let's go. But friends, if you are drawn to this kind of peace, hit like button. Subscribe to Imagination Gallery and leave a comment sharing how nature inspires you. Now picture this. You're standing on the edge of a river, a cool mist rising gently from its surface. The sky above you is darkening, with the last rays of daylight casting a soft glow on the mountains in the distance. You breathe in the freshness of the air as the world begins to settle into twilight. The tranquil landscape around you invites you to pause and let go of everything and just be. In this moment, nature speaks quietly yet profoundly. The river moves like time itself, flowing endlessly towards an unknown future, but calm and patient in its journey. With each soft stroke of charcoal, I tried to capture the gentle ripples, the way the water meanders, carrying the reflections of the mountains and trees. As you gaze at the water, it feels like you're watching life unfold in slow motion. Nothing to rush, only to observe and feel. The rhythm of the river becomes the heartbeat of this scene. Friends, the mountains in the distance are a silent guardians of this landscape. They stand unmoving, but their presence is powerful. A reminder of the stability and strength that nature offers. As the light fades, the mountains grow more mysterious, their outlines softened by the mist. It's as if they hold the wisdom of time itself, unchanging through the seasons, yet always part of ever-evolving cycle of life. the either side of the river, friends, the trees stand as quiet witness to everything that happens. Their branches sway ever so slightly, as if the trees are sharing ancient secrets with the breeze. The leaves flutter, catching the last light of the day. With the charcoal strokes, I tried to aim to capture the movement of the trees, the way they communicate with the winds. Their silence is not emptiness, it is a language of nature, of stillness. Hey, look up, and you'll see the sky painted in the soft shades of dark rose. The clouds are rolling in, moving in, thoughts across the vast canvas above. The transition from day to night is subtle yet powerful, a reminder of life, constant changes. Each stroke of charcoal on the sky reflects the transformation, the blending of light and shadow, the uncertainty of what's to come, and the peace that comes with letting go of control. Friends, as night settles in, everything becomes even more peaceful. The landscape softens into darkness, but there is a comfort in it. The stars are hidden, but the silence fills the space between the trees, rivers, mountains. There's a deep, quiet stillness, and in this moment, there is no need for words. The beauty of this landscape is enough. It's a reminder to us all to pause, reflect, and find peace in the stillness of life, even as the world keeps moving. By the time you reach the end of the scene, I want you to feel the calming energy of nature, the strength of the mountains, and the gentle flow of the river, and the quiet wisdom that surrounds us. Let it sink in. There is more than just a landscape. It's a reflection of who we are. Even we slow down and connect with the world around us. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me today and experiencing this serene landscape with me. I truly hope this piece resonates with you and brings a sense of peace and tranquility into your life. And if you have enjoyed this journey with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Imagination Gallery to stay connected always. Your support means the world to me. And if you're ready to add a touch of elegance into your space, be sure to check out our full collection through the link in the description. Until next time, take a moment for yourself and remember that beauty is everywhere. Sometimes you just need to stop and see it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.